Hey guys, I did not get a lot of submissions yesterday, so I'm guessing challenge number 6 is a doozy. For that reason, I brought in some reinforcements. I hope you guys have your ducks at home too. Let's break this thing down. Looks like we have to use the same file and find out how many vowels are hidden inside of our 5-letter words. The last challenge was all about finding how many 5-letter words we have. Now we're going to rip into those 5-letter words and see how many vowels are found in all of the 5-letter words that we already found. So it's just an extension of the last program. So here we go. Make a super awesome GUI. That's step 1. I guess step 0 was making sure your file is found in your debug folder. Make sure you do that. Then make a super awesome GUI. And then code it. Here's all of the code. There's definitely a multitude of ways to do this one, but this is what I came up with. Our window loaded event handler looks like all of the event handlers we've been using so far. We're just going to initialize our array list, make a stream reader that reads from whatever file you have, and as long as it sees something, just go ahead and throw it into your array list, close up shop, and give yourself a message, just in case things go awry. The only thing that could have gone wrong is you used the wrong file name or spelled something wrong, so check that. Also, again, I know this is getting repetitive. If it doesn't seem to be working, if the program doesn't seem to be working, make sure you physically actually made the window loaded event handler. So if you click on your window and there's nothing here, then you didn't actually make the window loaded event handler, you just copied something from another program. So make sure you double click there, give yourself an event handler, and then it will work.
Oh, there you are. I don't have a lot of time. Today's code word is toothpaste. Send me the word toothpaste on Remind or in an email, and I'll get you some extra credit, okay? Hurry.
Okay, onto our button click. I am going to count up how many vowels I have, and this is the trick I'm going to use. I actually have a string called vowels that is just the literal string A-E-I-O-U. You'll see what I'm doing with that in a second. Just like the last challenge, I want to loop through all of the words in the array list. And if I find one that has a length of 5, that's what this says. If words I.length equals 5, then I want to do something else. I want to loop through that 5-letter word and find out how many vowels there are. So for J, you got to use a new index. This is a loop inside of another loop, so we can't use I again. I is already being used by the outside loop. So make up any other index. Traditionally, we'll go with I and then J and then K if we need to use 2 or 3 indexes. So for J equals 0 to 4, and I'm just going 0 to 4 because it's got 5 letters, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now this is where I'm using my vowel string. If this vowel string, if A-E-I-O-U, contains words I substring J1, so let's break that down. Words I is one of the words at a time, and then I'm going to take a substring of it, going to index J and grabbing one character. So that's going to be 0, 1, and then 1, 1, and then 2, 1, 3, 1, and then 4, 1. I'll grab one letter at a time from whatever that word is. And I want to know if my vowels string contains that letter. Not the other way around. I don't want to ask if the substring contains A-E-I-O-U. I want to know if A-E-I-O-U contains that one-letter substring. Does that make sense? If it does, increment your vowels counter. Loop, 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 loop. When you're done, you'll have your answer. And that's it. So if you still owe me an answer for this challenge, and a lot of you do, then cheat, copy all my code, make it work on your file, and get me an answer by the end of the day. All right? You guys have a good day.